Union Ministry of Minority Affairs Kiren Rijiju has given assurance to build world-class sports infrastructures in Manipur. In a post on his X handle, Union Minister Kiren Rijiju lauded Chief Minister and Biren for building many valuable infrastructures in hills of Manipur. He added that Chief Minister and Biren had requested for building sports infrastructures at Imphal, and the center will fulfill that request. Earlier, Chief Minister Nungthombam Biren, who is in New Delhi along with Works Minister Govindas Konthozam, had met with Union Minister Kiren Rijiju at his official residence at 9 Krishna Menon Marg, New Delhi. Chief Minister has reportedly apprised the Union Minister about the completion of residential school in hill districts of Manipur, including in Jiribam, Teknopal, Ukhrul and Tamenglong. He also informed about the undergoing construction work for residential schools in Senapati and Chandel districts.